Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix cellular data or mobile data not working on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to tap on mobile data or cellular data. Then you have to turn the toggle off for this and then turn it on again, and after that tap on network selection and make sure that you have checked on automatic. So you have to check on automatic and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And the apostle is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, and then you have to scroll it on, and then you have to turn the aeroplane mode on at least for the 2 or 3 minutes, and then turn it off again and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And the apostle is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, scroll it down, and then tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on shutdown. So you have to slider to the this side, and then you have to turn it on again and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the palm is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, scroll it on, tap on general, and from here make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version, and after that check whether your form has been fixed or not. And once it's there, then what you need to do is just simply remove the SIM tray from your device and check if it's damaged or not. If your SIM is not damaged and still it's not working, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network setting. So here you have to put your passcode, tap on reset network setting. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. And after that, you have to restart your device. And after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like them, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.